Welcome to the PubGuru Ad Ops platform by MonetizeMore. To get started, you will receive a confirmation email from PubGuru inviting you to confirm your account. Go ahead and proceed by clicking on the Confirm Your Account button. This will open up a new tab, and right here, you'd be able to see the default publisher profile that you have access to. Your publisher name could either be your domain or it could be your company name. Right below that is the email address associated with this account, and you then be asked to set up your password. You may review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, click on this button to create the account. After successfully setting up your account and setting your password, you will be taken to the PubGuru dashboard. At the top, you have an option to hide this sidebar menu or make it visible. If there are multiple domains associated with this publisher account, the PubGuru Ad Ops platform will show the data for all the domains associated with your account. If you want to see data only for a specific website, you can go ahead and click on the drop-down here and select the website from the menu. The platform also supports multiple languages. The default is English, but you can also click on this to easily switch to Spanish or Brazilian Portuguese. If you click on the profile icon right here, you'll have access to this menu. Profile settings, payment settings, go to PubGuru University, and the option to log out. First, let's go to profile settings. Under profile settings, you can go ahead and change your name. You can also change your email address if needed, and update your password whenever necessary. The 4-digit PIN you see right here will be utilized if you contact our support team through live chat before any sensitive or confidential information can be provided to anyone using this channel. The PIN from the PubGuru platform will be required. So all you need to do is go to your PubGuru account, go to profile settings, and provide them with a PIN. Remember that the PIN changes regularly, so be sure to check this real time if necessary. Now, if you click on the Payment Settings tab right here, you'd be able to see two sections. The first one is where you'd be able to see and download your statement of accounts from the different payouts you've received from MonetizeMore, the status of these payments, along with other important details. Click on this icon to download a copy of that statement of account in PDF format. The second section right here is very important. Our team works hard to ensure that publishers are paid on time and accurately. So once you have access to the dashboard, you can submit your payment details right here by clicking on Configure Payment Details. So we have your preferred payment method on file, and so we can send your finalized earnings on or before your due date depending on your payment terms. Now, going back to the dashboard, this section shows you an overview of valuable insights relating to your account. The first one is the summary card. So the summary card provides an overview and comparison of these important metrics: gross revenue, ad impressions, and ad RPMs. You can also see a comparison of the performance based on the date range you've selected here. So for example, if today is selected, it'll compare the data from today versus how it was yesterday. And if, for example, you select 7 days, it'll compare the data from the last 7 days to the 7 days before that. If you wish to view the data for all these date ranges, you can click on View All. Next, we can also see the top performing ad networks, top performing ad units, and the ad networks that are recording the largest discrepancies. The top performing ad networks, ad units, and ad networks with largest discrepancies can be expanded and examined further by clicking on the View Report button. By clicking on that link, you'll be taken to the relevant reporting feature right within the PubGuru Ad Ops platform. Next, let's talk about smart notifications. Upon landing on the dashboard earlier, you might have noticed this banner saying you have 4 critical notifications that require urgent actions to avoid impact on your revenue. Clicking on the View All link right here will take us to the Smart Notifications menu. Of course, you can also easily access this feature by clicking on Smart Notifications on the sidebar. Smart Notifications is a feature designed to deliver relevant and real-time alerts within the PubGuru Ad Ops platform. Smart notifications can range from critical alerts, errors, and opportunities. A critical notification is typically a revenue-impacting and time-sensitive alert that needs to be addressed immediately. Errors are issues that you need to address to circumvent problems that can potentially cause more serious repercussions to your overall revenue. The last one is opportunities that can help improve your setup to boost your overall ad performance and revenue. Click on a notification to expand and show more details so you can address these issues and make sure your websites are running optimally. Next, we have the report section. Depending on your plan or subscription with MonetizeMore, some features or reports may not be accessible on your end. First, we have the Analytics report. This report provides top-level revenue and traffic data from Google Ad Manager, PubGuru Analytics, and once connected, Google Analytics. Now let's look at PubGuru Analytics and Google Analytics here for a quick moment. You'll notice that the data being recorded by these two different platforms can vary. This is because PubGuru Analytics tracks page views and sessions using the PubGuru JavaScript tag on page. PubGuru Analytics is not able to track page views or sessions on web pages where it's not implemented. On the other hand, Google Analytics data is measured when Google Analytics was running on page. So whenever a user accesses a web page on your website that contains Google Analytics but does not contain the PubGuru script, Google Analytics will track the information, but it will not be recorded by PubGuru Analytics. Next, let's go to the Ad Exchange report. For publishers using Ad Exchange, this report provides Ad Exchange revenue performance data. You can customize the date range and also compare reports from different time periods. Next, let's talk about the Ad Network report. Publishers with multiple demand sources will find the Ad Network report very useful, as this is a unified reporting feature that can help you track your revenue, discrepancy, and other important metrics across multiple ad networks. You can customize the date range and also use the comparison mode. Choose whether to show a line graph or a bar graph to visualize the data and be able to highlight the different ad networks that you wish to view in the charts. In this section, we can see all the ad networks connected to this account. Now, before these data can appear right here in the ad network report, you'd have to connect each ad network account using the Account Connections feature. Let's click on this. In the Google Connections tab, you can connect the following accounts: Google Ad Manager, Analytics, AdSense, and Google Ads if you want to take advantage of the Profit Attribution report, which we'll show in a bit. Sell-side connections is where you can also seamlessly and securely connect different ad network account credentials so they can show up in the unified reporting feature. To do so, click on Add New Connection, select the ad network or search for its name right here, and enter all the required information to begin integration. If you're working with these ad networks through MonetizeMore, our team will help you set these up for you to view them under the ad network report. Clicking on buy-side connections can help you integrate third-party buy-side accounts for the Profit Attribution report. Now back to the ad network report. Once you've successfully integrated the ad networks, they will all show up like this. If you have Google Ad Manager connected in this account, you can click on the discrepancy report to see how big or how small the discrepancies are between what the ad network is reporting versus what GAM is showing. Next, we have the Report Builder. The Report Builder within the PubGuru AdOps platform is a powerful tool that'll allow you to customize the data that you want to see and essentially allows you to generate and download reports based on a wide range of filters, dimensions, and metrics within just a few clicks. Click on this button to generate a new report and set up your report configurations based on your need. If you decided to save a report, this will all show up right here under the reports list when you click on Report Builder, where you can easily export the data or run the report again whenever needed. Next, we have Advanced Reports, which contain the Profit Attribution report we mentioned earlier, the Page Report, and the Data Privacy Report. The Profit Attribution Reports is a valuable tool, especially for publishers that are buying traffic. This reports campaign ROI and meaningful information to support your traffic acquisition decisions. To maximize the Profit Attribution Report, we strongly encourage adding your buy-side accounts so more insights can be made available to you when accessing this report. Parts for UTM coverage, KVP usage, gross revenue, session and page RPMs are available up top so you can see an overview of these important metrics when buying traffic. When navigating to Page Report, you'll be able to see which content or landing page on your website is the most popular and earns the most revenue. The Data Privacy Report provides you with insights on the GDPR or consent management platform running on your website. Publishers sign up for Traffic Cop has access to the Traffic Cop reporting suite. This section offers unique insights on traffic quality and other additional features designed to help you prevent ad fraud and other causes of invalid traffic violations. When clicking on traffic quality, you'd be able to see how hard Traffic Cop has been working on your website. You'd be able to see how many impressions it was able to block due to invalid traffic, the percentages of suspect traffic, invalid traffic, and the total risk profile of your website. Your team at MonetizeMore is aware that invalid traffic violations are not necessarily caused by actual invalid traffic attacks from bots. Sometimes it can be due to incorrect ad placement and other unconventional ad serving practices. That's why, aside from analyzing your traffic quality, the PubGuru AdOps platform also offers the Ad Stacking Report, Content Policy Report, Hidden Ad Unit, and Abusive Render Reports. The Ad Stacking Report can help you detect overlapping ad units that can get you blacklisted by demand sources and decrease your RPMs. Use this report to isolate where they are happening to eliminate them and prevent any further damages. The Content Policy Report shows potential bad words that are against Google's ad serving program policies broken down by URL. You can use this report to fix content policy issues and validate the fixes in real time. The Abusive Render Report provides detailed information about abusive refresh occurrences that arise due to possible misconfiguration or ad refreshes that occurred at an interval of less than 25 seconds. There are additional upcoming features within the Traffic Cop reporting suite that you should watch out for. The first one is the Hidden Ad Unit Report, where you can check if any of your ad units is covered by other elements on the page or appear outside the viewport, which can be flagged as a policy violation. And get ready for more insights into your website's traffic quality when the Traffic Cop dashboard becomes available. Here you can see more detailed traffic insights such as traffic type, which classifies incoming traffic into different categories based on the type of incoming traffic. For example, good bots, high-risk IP addresses, blacklisted IPs, and more. You'd also be able to see invalid traffic by country, device, UTMs, by refer URL, and by the actual website's URL. Additionally, you can see ad click count by IP address, and the total number of policy violations for each ad setup policy violation type. If you need more information, click on the help icon right here at the bottom, type in a keyword, and relevant links to articles will come up in the help center. If you need to reach out to someone from our team, click on this chat icon, and this will initiate a live chat session with a member of our support team. Once you've had the time to explore the PubGuru AdOps platform, we'd love to hear your feedback on how your experience had been. Let us know which features you liked best, as well as any feedback that can help us improve this platform for publishers everywhere.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.